Did you know that cats have a secret language all their own? Meows, purrs, chirps. These are just a few of the unique sounds that make up a cat's vocabulary. But what do these sounds mean? Cats have a remarkable ability to communicate through vocalizations. Each sound carries a specific message, tailored for different situations. For instance, a gentle purr isn't just a sign of contentment. It can also indicate a cat's need for comfort or reassurance. It's their way of saying, "I feel safe with you." On the other hand, a short, sharp meow might be a request for attention or playtime. Cats often use different pitches and lengths of meows to convey their desires. Ever heard your cat make a trilling sound? That's their way of greeting you or showing affection. It's like a little hello in cat language. And let's not forget the hiss, a clear warning signal that says, "Back off." Cats use this sound to protect themselves from perceived threats. So, the next time your feline friend talks to you, remember, they're not just making noise. They're speaking their own weak language, telling you how they feel and what they need. Subscribe to stay tuned.